Hello, we are still in our unit reading, writing, and review. We are now in week 16, day 3, Wednesday, June 2nd. It is a Wednesday. That means it's an async. We will not meet on Zoom as a class. Let's see what you have to do. Click async. Two activities. The first activity is a discussion post about negatives. Think of something you never want to do and explain why you don't want to do it. Okay, here's an example. And then you will put something similar in the comment section. Your second activity is MEL. So you will do your assignment. In unit 1, it's the writing, the reading, close reading. Now, if anyone is interested in going to GED, please remember to go to the information session tonight at 7. Okay, if you're able to. If you're unable to, please let me know and I can make arrangements for you. And that's it for today. Good luck.